跟着侯帅一起学语文50句英语初级口语。
Hello.
Hi,
Hello. How are you?
你好吗？
How are you? What's up?
怎么样？
What's up? Nice to meet you.
很高兴认识你。
Nice to meet you. What do you do?
你做什么工作？
What do you do? Where are you from?
你来自哪里？
Where are you from? How old are you?
你几岁？
How old are you? Can you speak English?
你会说英语吗？
Can you speak English? What's your name?
你叫什么名字？
What's your name? I'm sorry.
对不起。
I'm sorry. Thank you.
谢谢。
Thank you. You're welcome.
不客气。
You're welcome. Excuse me.
不好意思。
Excuse me. Please.
请。
Please. Goodbye.
再见。
Goodbye. See you later.
后会有期。
See you later. Have a good day.
祝你有个美好的一天。
Have a good day. Cheers.
干杯。
Cheers. I don't know.
我不知道。
I don't know. That's great.
太好了。
That's great. I like it.
我喜欢。
I like it. I love you.
我爱你。
I love you. How much is it?
多少钱？
How much is it? Do you have any questions?
你有什么问题吗？
Do you have any questions? Can you help me?
你可以帮我吗？
Can you help me? I'm lost.
我迷路了。
I'm lost. What's the time?
几点了？
What's the time? Can I have a glass of water?
我可以要一杯水吗？
Can I have a glass of water? Where is the bathroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the bathroom? How do you say this in English?
这个用英语怎么说？
How do you say this in English? Excuse my French.
对不起，我说话有点直。
Excuse my French. What a shame.
太可惜了。
What a shame. It doesn't matter.
没关系。
It doesn't matter. You're kidding me.
你在开玩笑吧？
You're kidding me. I don't believe it.
我不相信。
I don't believe it. You're right.
你是对的。
You're right. I'm wrong.
我错了。
I'm wrong. Let's go.
我们走吧。
Let's go. Hurry up.
快点。
Hurry up. Take care.
注意安全。
Take care. I'll be back.
我会回来的。
I'll be back. Keep in touch.
保持联系。
Keep in touch. I'm so sorry.
很抱歉。
I'm so sorry. Congratulations.
恭喜。
Congratulations. Good luck.
祝你好运。
Good luck. How's everything?
一切如何？
How's everything? I'm on my way.
我在路上。
I'm on my way. Let's hang out.
我们一起出去玩吧。
Let's hang out. It's a small world.
世界真小。
It's a small world. No problem.
没问题。
No problem.
如果觉得影片不错，记得点赞、订阅、分享，并开启小铃铛哦。